Okay, welcome to the Dark Knight, Domain 2, Security and Compliance. In Gotham, peace is an illusion. Shadows move, systems fall, and chaos thrives where vigilance sleeps. AWS built the fortress, but only you can guard the gates. Step into the night, become the Dark Knight of the cloud. Question 1. Who is responsible for security of the cloud? The foundation, the servers, the fortress itself. A, the customer. B, AWS. C, both equally. D, local internet service providers. And the correct answer is B, AWS. AWS secures infrastructure, data centers, networking, and hardware. Customers secure what runs inside. Question 2. In the shared responsibility model, customers are responsible for A. Managing encryption keys and identity access management roles. B. Power redundancy in data centers. C. Cabling under AWS control. D. Cooling systems and surveillance cameras. And the correct answer is A. Managing encryption keys and identity access management roles. Customers manage data, encryption, IAM, and application security. Question 3. A public S3 bucket leaks customer data due to misconfigured access policies. Who's accountable? A. AWS. Infrastructure failed. B. The customer. Misconfigured bucket. C. Both parties. D. Auditors. The correct answer is B. The customer with the misconfigured bucket. Remember, AWS provides secure tools, but customer configuration errors cause breaches. Question 4. Which AWS service acts like Lucius Fox's sonar, tracking every movement in the cloud? A. AWS CloudTrail. B. GuardDuty. C. CloudWatch. D. Detective. The correct answer is A. AWS CloudTrail. CloudTrail logs API calls and account activity for auditing. Question 5. Where can Gotham's leaders download AWS compliance certifications like ISO and SOC 2? A. AWS Artifact. B. AWS Config. C. Security Hub. D. Shield. The correct answer is A. AWS Artifact. AWS Artifact provides on-demand compliance documentation. Question 6. Which service monitors whether your configurations stay compliant? The Digital Commissioner Gordon of your environment. A. AWS Config. B. CloudFormation. C. Systems Manager. D. Shield. The correct answer is A. AWS Config. AWS Config continuously audits and evaluates resource configurations. Question 7. Which principle ensures users only have the access they need, nothing more? A. Least privilege. B. Zero trust. C. Defense in depth. D. Full access. The correct answer is A. Least privilege. Least privilege limits user permissions to reduce attack surface. Question 8. Who should wear the root mask and how often? A. Every admin daily. B. no one, delete the root user. C, one account owner, protected by multi-factor authentication, rarely used. D, outsourced third party. The correct answer is C, one account owner, protected with multi-factor authentication, rarely used. Root access is only for account setup, secured with multi-factor authentication. Question 9. What AWS service provides centralized access control? One identity, many systems. A. Identity Access Management Identity Center, SSO. B. Directory Service. C. Cognito. D. Guard Duty. The correct answer is A. SSO. SSO centralizes access management. Question 10. Where should secret credentials and database passwords be stored? A. S3. B. Secrets Manager. C. EC2 User Data. D. Cloud Formation. The correct answer is B. Secrets Manager. AWS Secrets Manager encrypts and rotates credentials securely. Question 11. Security groups and network access control list are Gotham's walls. What do they protect? A. Internal auditing. B. Network traffic in and out of subnets. C. Resource billing. D. Backup storage. The correct answer is B. Network traffic in and out of subnets. Security groups and network access control lists filter inbound and outbound traffic. Question 12. Which service automatically defends your system against DDoS attacks? A. AWS Shield. B. WAF. C. Inspector. D. Macie. The correct answer is A. AWS Shield. AWS Shield mitigates DDoS attacks at network and transport layers. Question 13. Which service protects web apps from malicious traffic like SQL injection and cross-site scripting? A. AWS WAF. B. Security Hub. C. Guard Duty. D. Inspector. The correct answer is A. AWS WAF. AWS WAF filters web requests and blocks exploits. Question 14. Which service aggregates alerts and findings from Guard Duty, Macie, and Inspector? A. CloudWatch. B. Trusted Advisor. C. Security Hub. D. Detective. The correct answer is C. Security Hub. AWS Security Hub provides unified visibility across services. Question 15. Which service offers real-time best practice recommendations? Your digital Alfred. A. Config. B. Artifact. C. Security Hub. D. Trusted Advisor. The correct answer is D. Trusted Advisor. Trusted Advisor offers guidance on cost, performance, and security. Question 16. Which service uses AI to detect unusual API calls or account behavior? A. Inspector. B. Guard Duty. C. Detective. D. CloudTrail. Correct answer is B, guard duty. Guard duty analyzes logs for anomalies and threats. Question 17. Which tool lets you test IAM policies before deploying them, like testing a new bat suit? A. IAM Policy Simulator. B. Access Analyzer. C. Config. D. CloudFormation. The correct answer is A. IAM Policy Simulator. The IAM Policy Simulator safely validates permissions. Question 18. Which AWS service manages encryption keys and integrates with other AWS security tools? A. Cloud HSM. B. KMS. C. Macy. D. Secrets Manager. Correct answer is B. KMS. AWS Key Management Service manages encryption keys securely. Question 19. Which service helps automate evidence collection for audits and certifications? A. AWS Audit Manager. B. CloudTrail. C. Artifact. D. Security Hub. Correct answer is A. AWS Audit Manager. AWS Audit Manager streamlines compliance evidence gathering. Question 20, final question. Which phrase best describes your mission as the dark night of the cloud? A. Let AWS handle everything. B. Trust but don't verify. C. AWS secures the cloud. I secure what's in it. D. If it's encrypted, it's invincible. And the correct answer is C. AWS secures the cloud. I secure what's in it. Okay, so you've faced the dark corners of the cloud and learned what few understand. Security isn't a feature, it's a choice. AWS built the foundation, you are the guardian. The shadows no longer frighten you, they answer to you. See you next time.